Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you own the site and have editor or owner access in Google Sites. Open the site and check settings to verify permissions. Decide whether you will use the default sites. Google, com URL, or a custom domain you own. If you choose a custom domain, prepare your domain registrar login and DNS access now. Note that changing a published site URL can affect bookmarks and search indexing later. Backup site content by duplicating the site before making changes. To change the web address in new Google Sites, open your site and click Publish at the top right. In the Publish dialog, click Edit Web Address and type the new path for sites. Google, com URLs. Choose a concise path that reflects your content and audience expectations. Click Save and then Publish to apply the new address immediately. If you prefer not to overwrite the live site, duplicate the site first and publish the duplicate with the new path instead. To map a custom domain, verify domain ownership in Google Search Console first. In Sites, open Settings, then Custom Domains and choose Start Setup to begin mapping. Follow prompts to select a domain and copy the required DNS records. At your domain registrar, add the specified O or CNAME records exactly as provided. Allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation, and then return to confirm the mapping completed successfully. Test the new domain in a private browser window.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.